Picture this. Los Alamos, New Mexico, summer of 1950. A group of scientists sit down for lunch, trading jokes and small talk. Suddenly, Enrico Fermi, the genius who helped unlock nuclear energy, pauses, frowns, and blurts out 4 words that silence the table. Where is everybody? The question seems simple, but behind it hides a terrifying puzzle. Our galaxy holds hundreds of billions of stars, many billions of years older than the sun. If even a fraction of those stars had planets like Earth, intelligent life should have had plenty of time to rise, build technology, and colonize the galaxy. By now, the Milky Way ought to be buzzing with signals, spaceships, and civilizations far beyond us. Yet, we hear nothing. No signals, no ships, just endless silence. That haunting question became the greatest mystery in astronomy, the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox is a math riddle that feels like a horror story. Our galaxy has about 400 billion stars. Most have planets. Some are in the perfect Goldilocks zone where water can flow and life has a chance to spark. Even if life is unbelievably rare, say 1 in a million planets, it still adds up to thousands of alien civilizations in the Milky Way right now. And here's the kicker. Once a civilization cracks space travel, even at slow crawl speeds, it could spread across the entire galaxy in just a few million years. Compared to the galaxy's age of 13 billion years, that's nothing. Like blinking once in a human lifetime. So what should we be seeing? Maybe giant Dyson spheres swallowing up the light of entire stars. Maybe alien starships gliding between solar systems. Maybe ruins of galactic empires that rose and fell long before Earth even formed. Maybe radio signals, laser beams, or strange cosmic fingerprints that scream, "We were here." Instead, nothing, just silence. It's like standing in the middle of a giant city at night. Millions of windows should be glowing, but every building is dark. No voices, no movement, just you, wondering if you're the last one alive. And that's the Fermi Paradox. The universe should be loud, but it's disturbingly quiet. So the big question is why? So why the silence? Scientists and thinkers have come up with dozens of answers. Some are hopeful, others are terrifying. Theory 1, we're early. Maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare, and we just happen to be the first ones to show up. Imagine arriving at a stadium hours before the concert begins. You're sitting in your seat waiting while the stage is still empty. The galaxy's show just hasn't started yet. Theory 2, the great filter. This one's dark. The idea is that there's some invisible wall, a filter that almost no life can pass. Maybe life rarely starts at all. Maybe single-celled organisms almost never evolve into complex ones. Or maybe civilizations like ours always destroy themselves with nuclear war, climate collapse, or AI before they ever reach the stars. If that's true, we either got unbelievably lucky, or the filter is still ahead of us. Theory 3, they're hiding. What if the galaxy is full of civilizations, but they're staying quiet? Some call this the zoo hypothesis. We're being watched, like animals in an enclosure, until we're ready. Others imagine a darker twist. Maybe the galaxy is a dark forest, where every civilization hides in silence, terrified that making noise will attract predators. If that's true, the silence isn't peaceful, it's fear. Theory 4, we're missing the signs. Maybe aliens don't use radios or signals at all. A billion-year-old civilization might communicate with quantum particles, black holes, or dimensions we don't even know exist. To them, we're like cavemen listening for drum beats while they're streaming movies on Wi-Fi. Theory 5, rare Earth. What if Earth really is 1 in a trillion? Maybe life is common, but intelligent life, capable of building rockets and civilizations, is unbelievably rare. Things like our moon, plate tectonics, magnetic field, and stable climate might be freak accidents that almost never happen anywhere else. In that case, we're not just early, we're alone. Theory 6, simulation. And then there's the weirdest idea of all. What if we're living inside a simulation? In that case, aliens might not exist because the programmers never coded them in. The universe looks empty because it's supposed to. Each theory twists the paradox in a different way, but together they leave us staring at the same question. If the galaxy should be bursting with life, life? Why are we the only ones who seem to notice? So after all this, the Fermi Paradox still stares back at us, unanswered. The galaxy should be alive with civilizations, megastructures, and signals. But it isn't. Maybe we're early. Maybe others are hiding. Maybe the great filter awaits. Or maybe, just maybe, we're not ready to see what's really out there. One thing is certain, the silence of the stars isn't proof that we're alone. It's proof that the universe is far stranger and far more mysterious than we've ever imagined. And somewhere, out there, the answer is waiting.